Pottinger's class? Today we were working on 3.1 integers and mixed numbers. Everybody, I need you to tell me what an integer is on the count of 3. Together. 1, 2, 3. All right, what side of the number line are positive? What side of a number line are positive numbers on? Say again? Yeah, they're on the right side. What side are negative numbers on? The left. All right, and then this symbol right here. This symbol right here. Can you guys see what I'm just circling? What's that mean? And we remember that because if I take that and if I take that and I spin it, it's caught with that. What does it make? It kind of makes an L. Do you guys see that somewhat? It makes an L. Okay, so I've really messed that up. Let me undo that. Okay, and then the other one means what? Sorry, guys. The other symbol means? All right. Number 2, we're talking about reading integers. See this word? See this word? See this word? What do we call those kind of words? Do they tell you if a number is going to be a negative or a positive? Yeah, you just got to know what they mean. Awesome. Next main idea, number lines. Do you guys all know how to make a number line? What do these arrows on the end mean? Keeps going. The middle of a number line, at least right now, is always going to be the number what? 0. If I go this way on a number line, am I getting bigger or smaller? If I go this way on a number line, am I getting bigger or smaller? Yeah, keep it going, keep it going. If I put a dot like on a number line, what does that tell me? It's telling you that that is the number, right? Okay, cool. If I'm actually doing addition and subtraction on a number line, so let's look at this one right here, okay? So I start with the number 3 and I put a dot, right? Okay, and then what am I doing? What does this say right here? Subtract what? 5. Bobby, eyes need to be up here. We're subtracting 5. So if I have a dot at 3 and I'm subtracting 5, let's count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
What's my answer?
-2.
If I'm adding, which way do I go on a number line? Right or left?
Right.
So I started at, what number do I start at on this one?
3.
And I go how many to the right?
2.
It says +2, so I go 2 bunny hops to the right, and what's my answer?
5.
We good with that?
Yes.
All right, and then look at these 3 inequalities. We're comparing 1 and 3, yes? What's bigger, 1 or 3?
3.
So the inequality symbol is always eating the bigger number? What's further right on a number line, 1 or 3? 3. What's bigger, 6 or -4?
6.
So the inequality is always eating the bigger number?
Yes.
What's further right on a number line, 6 or -4? What? What is further right on a number line, 6 or -4?
6.
So here's my number line, 6 is over here, -4 is on the other side, right? So the inequality is always going to be eating the number further right on the number line, yes? How about the tricky one, -11 and -2? We said -11 was less than -2, right?
Yes.
Which number is further on the number line, -2 or -11? -2, because -2 is going to be over here. -11 is going to be way down there, right?
Yes.
You got to get that straight in our brains, okay? All right.